asana. First I will show you that Paschimottanasana, then Bakasana, and then after last I will show you Chakrasana. So now I am going to show you start my asana with the Paschimottanasana. For the Paschimottanasana, first you have to sit on Dandasana. Stretch your hip bone for the back side. Keep your spine straight. Now place your palm beside of your head. Now raise your hand up. Inhale, look front, and then exhale, slowly go down from your low back. Slowly go down. Do exhale and go down. And then hold your outer face and push yourself down. Hold it for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly inhale, raise your both hands up. And then exhale, place your palm on the ground.